Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing a review of the Hyundai IONIQ 5. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss my next video about the 2022 Toyota Tundra EV. The Hyundai's dashing electric vehicle is distinct from the rest of the EVs, having a bold, angular design. It also possesses tech and value that is understandable and likable. The Hyundai IONIQ 5 prides its proportions as no other Hyundai created, and it can't be compared to anything else on the road. The Hyundai IONIQ 5 is an electric vehicle SUV, but its squat-down proportions are more large hatchback compared to small crossovers. Any name you choose to call it, the extraordinary geometric design looks incredible from nearly all angles. Now let's dissect and get to know if the Hyundai IONIQ 5 is as amazing with features as the SUV designs. The Hyundai IONIQ 5 is designed and constructed on the Hyundai Motor Group's new eGMP determined platform of electric vehicles. This enables the Hyundai company to come up with some amazing features, with designs of the vehicle coupled with its proportion. Almost the same length as with the Tucson. The wheels were pushed way out to the nooks of the Hyundai IONIQ 5's 182.5 inch long footprint, emerging in a 118.1 inch wheelbase that's way longer than the Palisade's 3-row. This wheelbase, coupled with the flat floor and wide chassis, make the interior volume to be freer, 106.5 cubic feet, for passengers than its competitor, the Ford Mustang Mach-E, or the Volkswagen ID.4. The backlight of the IONIQ 5 cost Hyundai a little cargo volume, which left it short of a few cubes of 27.2 cubic feet compared to its competition. 2 powertrain configurations. When launched, the Hyundai IONIQ 5 will be made available in single or dual motor configuration. Both motor configurations are powered by a battery pack of 77.4 kilowatts per hour. The single motor sends 258 pound-feet of torque to the rear wheels. The Hyundai IONIQ 5 has a horsepower of 225, goes from 0 miles per hour to 62 in 7.3 seconds, and has an EPA estimated range of 303 miles. When the second motor configuration is added to the front axle, it boosts the system's total to 320 horsepower and 446 pound-feet of torque. This version of all-wheel drive is the fastest configuration so far, igniting from 0 miles per hour to 62 in 5.1 seconds. Adding the second motor has an effect on the range, thereby dropping the range down to an estimate of 256 miles, which is still respectable, but not up to the range of the Mach-E Extended AWD, that is at 270 miles, and then 316 miles of Tesla Model Y. The front motor of the IONIQ 5 features a clutch that can be disconnected from the wheels mechanically to increase efficiency, but this depends on the behaviour of the driver or the drive mode selected. For the snow and sport modes, they both make use of the 2 motors every time. It disengages normally when it's not needed, and locks the powertrain into the rear wheel drive mostly. Because the EPA range test is conducted using normal mode, an average driver can improve on the 256 mile range estimate if the driver uses Eco mode and a light touch. Electric road test. The Hyundai IONIQ 5 is tuned to offer satisfaction with its ride and handling. The IONIQ 5 has a touch that is more flexible than the firm riding Kia EV6, but controls and composure aren't lost when around bends or over bumps. The steering of the EV is quite light but obscure. The electric torque has an amazing feeling off the line, and it's not overpowering, but it's fast enough for the needs of drivers. It retains its responses both on the highway and around town. Its performance is quite amazing. Apart from the 4 drive modes, it has up to 5 regenerative braking settings that are selectable through paddles on the steering wheel. Coupled with an auto mode that's distinct based on the state of the battery, intent of the driver, and other factors, it also has 3 regeneration levels in deceleration. The Hyundai IONIQ 5 has an I-pedal mode, which enables the driver to slow down and stop with any use of a friction brake or pedal. But the IONIQ 5 reverts to level 1 to 3 or auto at the start of every trip, not staying in the I-pedal mode, though it may not be satisfactory to drivers and they would rather leave it in auto for a smooth ride. Bidirectional charging. The Hyundai IONIQ has an amazing battery feature. It is capable of a charging speed of 235 kilowatts when it is connected to a DC fast charging station. It can burst from 10% to 80% within 18 minutes at its quick replenishment rate. At home or public space with a 240 volt charge point, the Hyundai IONIQ 5 can take up to 10.9 kilowatts and charge from 10 to 100% within 7 hours. Interior design and technology. The Hyundai IONIQ 5 design of the interior is minimal, and there's no Hyundai badge on the wheel, just simple squares. The EV has a neat look with a flat dashboard that has a dual 2.3-inch screen and capacitive climate control that's simple. Its infotainment possesses a neat white theme and brand new menus that monitor EV efficiency and schedule of charges. This is the first over-the-air update capable version of the Hyundai dashboard software. The Hyundai IONIQ 5 can be driven using an Android phone in place of the fob. It's a Hyundai standard digital key feature that allows drivers to unlock and start the car using the Android phone. Neither the Android Auto nor Apple CarPlay supports wireless connectivity, and the only USB port that connects to the infotainment for media or mirroring apps is beneath the dashboard to the feet area. The ports on the sliding center console are only meant for charging, and your phone would have to go there in order to avoid splayed cables. The center console is good and has a wireless charging pad feature and open storage that is big enough to contain a small bag. The front seat can be reclined to an almost horizontal position and has a leg rest feature that can be retracted to help you relax and take a nap when needed. And when you are unable to get through the driver's door and need to slide to the passenger side, there is a hidden handle that enables the whole package to slide a bit over a foot rearward. It can also grant access to the rear passenger for the storage room. Machine learning safety technology. Hyundai has a smart sense driver aid suite that is standard. Rolls in blind spot monitoring, pedestrian and cyclist detection, rear cross-traffic alerts, and collision avoidance braking technology. The Hyundai IONIQ 5 can brake in order to avoid the EV from colliding with oncoming traffic. It has a front corner radar sensor that can detect 90-degree traffic when crossing an intersection and brakes to avoid the collision. During low-speed traffic, the adaptive cruise control responds smoothly to the cut-ins of the vehicle and also features machine learning that customizes braking, spacing tendencies, and acceleration that's based on the driver's behavior. If the driver leaves space between vehicles for others to merge, the smart cruise control will copy that pattern and vice versa if you are an aggressive driver. The IONIQ 5 has a highway driving assist that comes online at the SEL trim level. The vehicle position can be adjusted within the lane if a car gets too close to it, with the help of the lane centering steering assist. This feature is also called lane scooching assist. When the turn signal has been activated, the hands-on steering assist can automatically change lanes and features aid to change lanes and avoid collision and maneuvers that are evasive. Pricing and competition. When the 2022 Hyundai IONIQ 5 was launched, its starting price was $44,875, which includes a destination charge of $1,225 for the long-range rear-drive SE spec. A third configuration will be added to the mix, which will step down to a smaller 58.2 kWh battery with a horsepower of 168 from its one rear motor, and has an EPA estimated range of 220 miles. This will be very affordable, starting at $40,925, the standard range for IONIQ 5. The Hyundai IONIQ 5 is more compelling than the Tesla Model Y because of its excellent range and its low price, making it to be the most sought-after alternative to the Model Y. Aside from the Model Y, the IONIQ 5 also competes against the Ford Mustang Mach-E and Volkswagen ID.4 because of the value it offers and its performance and features. It is gradually becoming the favourite of many car lovers. What do you think of our video? Let us know about your favourite part of the video in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.